Hello and welcome back to the City of Learn, Grow and Build. Today we will learn all about creating pages. So let's go ahead and create pages. Head back to the Dashboard tab and click on Online Store. Now click on Pages and then on Add Page. First, let's go to the title and type in About Us. Now let's save and let's click on View Page. So we can customize this on a new theme editor tab. And now you can go for the exact same process we have been doing on the home page. Great way to talk about your brand is using image with the text section. So let's go ahead and create one of those. And then you could also duplicate this section by clicking right up here on Duplicate. And then go back to the desktop image placement and choose image second. That's going to flip the image to the other side. So it creates this nice bit of contrast as you scroll and read. Then you can change the text and repeat it few more times if you have the more information to share about your brand. And now let's go back to our pages. What we can do now is repeat the same process to create more pages. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's all for creating pages. If you have any question, drop them down in the comments section. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.